Ready to ditch the physical product hustle and dive into the world of passive income selling digital downloads? First things first, let's choose your platform. You've got options like Shopify for a robust but potentially pricier solution, or platforms specifically designed for digital products like Gumroad or Selfie. Are super simple. Do your research, compare the features and pricing plans of each. But most important of all, ensure it's easy to use and has the features you need. Next up, payment processing. You'll without a doubt need to integrate a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Head to the settings and link it up. This is how you'll actually receive money for your amazing digital creations. Remember, you will need to create accounts for these payment processors before integrating. Now, let's make your website a conversion machine. This includes clear, compelling product descriptions highlighting the benefits of what you're selling. Show off high-quality images or videos. Create a sense of urgency to get the customer to purchase immediately. And most importantly, a prominent Buy Now button that leads directly to the checkout. Finally, let's optimize for everyone. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly so it looks great on any device. Test your website on multiple devices if you can, or ask a friend to do it for you. Consider adding a FAQ or contact us section to answer potential customer questions and build trust. Following these tips, you should be ready to start making money online selling digital products.